Hello, children of DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrari. Welcomes you all on e-learning class Standard 5 and subject is Social Science. Today's topic is sensitivity towards others. Sensitivity means to show love, care and help toward others. We just respect to each others, we politely to each others, and we help each other in every manner. For example, we live in family, all family members helps and cares each other, and also in school you help your friends, teacher cares you, so this is all called sensitivity towards other. In class 4, you read about caring for older members of the family. You know that visually impaired and hearing impaired are special children. Visually impaired means children who has problem in vision are blind children, and hearing impaired means children who has listening problem are they are dumb children. Okay, now let us learn how a little care and love can make a great difference in the lives of physically challenged and socially deprived children. Now new words come toward you. Socially deprived children. Socially deprived children means they are the children who are deprived of the right to live a decent life. They spend their lives either on the street or in the slums. They do not have the opportunity of education or a life of dignity. Most of them are miserable, neglected, and need help. Physically challenged children. Let's see. Young Saloni suffers from cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy. Palsy is a medical term which refers to various types of paralysis, often accompanied by weakness and loss of feeling and uncontrolled body movement, such as shaking. It is the condition where a person's muscles do not respond normally. Her right side is weaker than the left. Her right arm is rigid. She has a brace for the right leg and she walks in a bumpy way. She cannot run and her speech is unclear. She finds it difficult to hold a pencil and write. She has to undergo speech and occupational therapy. She remains quiet and does not interact with other children. The only time she smiles is when her teacher switches on the music. Her body sways to the rhythm of the music. Now, children, tell me, how can you help that type of child? Will you tease them? No. है ना? No. You should not fun of them. You should love and care them. It makes happy their life. If any physically challenged children will be in your class, then how can you help them? You can carry their bag in class or bus stop, है ना? And you can also help to open tiffin. You should always talk politely with them. In earlier times, most physically challenged children were not given any special education and training. The parents were unaware about the help and training that could make their life happy and comfortable. But in recent times, a lot of progress has been made in this field. Now, many specially trained teachers and therapists provide guidance to these special children. It means Before some years, there was no any school, or training center, or teacher, or trainer for physical challenge children, and parents were not conscious about education or training of their children. But nowadays, so many schools, institutions, and so many training centers are here for training and education for physically challenged children. Their families are also trained to deal with them. Progress in the field of science and technology have made the physically challenged children more mobile and independent. They can use special machines for exercise and greater movement. Physically challenged children require special skills to eat, read, move, express themselves, and use the toilet. These skills make them confident and less dependent on other people. The teachers dealing with these children also require special training. This training helps the teachers to create a suitable environment where special children learn new skill faster. The teachers need patience, kindness, and a sympathetic attitude toward physically challenged children. The school as well as the family plays an important role in the life of the special children. It is important that the parents remain in close contact with the teachers for guidance. If a special child likes to dance or play, he or she should be provided the opportunity. This will make the child happy and confident. So, dear children, we should give chance to them to take part in games, matches, or cultural program. I am telling a story of Helen Keller. So, listen carefully. Helen Keller is a symbol of courage for all of us. She was first deaf blind person to get a Bachelor of Arts degree. She wrote over 12 books and many articles. Her famous books are The Story of My Life, The World I Live in, Light in My Darkness, etc. She worked hard to make the life of people like her better. This world famous author also became a political activist, lecturer, and humanitarian. So, by example of Helen Keller, you have seen physically challenged children can do difficult work like normal children. Now, I am showing some pictures of famous personality. They also have some problem, but they overcome their problem and defeat their weakness and get success in life. Now, assessment time. Collect the information about one physical challenge personality who gets success in life. Children, in next class we will learn about social deprived children. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.